Hello everyone, in this video we will see Glide Apps tutorial. Glide App is a tool that lets you build your own mobile apps without writing any code, just using a spreadsheet like Google Sheets. It's super beginner friendly and perfect for anyone who wants to create an app for a business, event, or personal project. To get started, go to glideapps.com and sign up with your Google account. Once you're in, click New Project and choose whether you want to make a mobile app or website. Glide connects to a Google Sheet or Glide table, and each row becomes a part of your app like a list of items, contacts, or tasks. You design your app by dragging and dropping components like text, buttons, images, and maps. It shows a live preview on the screen so you can see what your app looks like as you build it. You can customize your app's look, change colors, fonts, and layouts without needing any coding. Glide also lets you set rules for what different users can see or do based on their sign-in info. When your app is ready, you can publish it and share the link. No need to go through the App Store or Google Play. It works instantly on phones and desktops. You can even add your app to your phone's home screen like a real app. Glide is great for small businesses, schools, clubs, or anyone who needs a custom app fast and easily. It saves time, money, and effort, and you don't have to be a developer to use it. Just start with a spreadsheet and you'll be amazed at what you can build. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.